History of Python. My name is T. Dutin Reddy from CSIT A 22951 A 3326. History of Python. It was developed by Julia van Rooyen in the late 80s and earlier 90s at National Research Institute of the Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. It is a successor to ABC language. Its version 0.9.0 was released in 1991 with features, functions, data types. Python version 1.0 was released in 1994 with functional programming tools such as lambda maps and reducers. 2.0 released in 2000 with features lead comprehension, Unicode and garbage collector. Released in 2008 by remove duplicate programming constructs and modules. Latest Python versions 3.7.4 as on 15/8/2019. Python features. Easy to learn and use. Is easy to learn and use it developer friendly and high level programming language. Expressive language. Python language is more expensive, means that is more understandable and relatable. Interpreter language. Python is an interpreter language. The interpreter executes the code line by line in a time. This makes dubbing easy and thus suitable for beginners. Cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix and etc. So we can say that Python is portable language. Free and open source. Python language is freely available at official web address. The source code is also available, therefore it is open source. Extensible. It implies that other languages such as C, C++ can be used to compile the code and thus it can be used further in our Python code. Large standard library. Python has a large and broad library and provides rich set of modules and functions for rapid application development. GUI programming support. Graphical user interfaces can be developed in using Python. Literal constants. The literal constant can be and hello. This can be directly used in the program. Constant is a fixed value that does not change. Let us see number and strings constants in C. Numbers. It is a numerical value. We can use 4 types numbers in Python. There are binary numbers, integral numbers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. Binary numbers made up of with zeros and ones. In Python, every binary number begins with either 0b or 0b. 0. Example. Integral numbers can be whole numbers or integer number or octal number or hexadecimal number. A integer like a numbers like 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 98, 76 point integer can be small, long, positive or negative in Python integer. Numbers are identified by word int. Integer number never have a decimal point. Octal number start with either 0 or 0. Octal number is made up of digits 0 to 7. Is a valid octal numbers is not a valid. Octal numbers is identified by oct word. Hexadecimal numbers start with either 0x or it is made of digits 0 to 9 and letters A to Z. Hexadecimal number identified by hex word. A string is a group of characters using single quotes. For example, strings can be written as hello. Using double quotes, strings double quotes are exactly same as those in single quotes. There are hello is a name as hello. Using triple quotes, you can specify multi-line strings using triple quotes. You can use as many single quotes and double quotes as you want in a string with triple quotes. For example, a string can be written as hello. Identifiers. An identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, model or object. In Python, an identifier is like a noun in English. Identifier helps in differentiating one entity from the other. For example, name and age, which speaks of two different aspects, are called identifiers. Python is a case-sensitive programming language, means age and age are two different identifiers in Python. Let us consider as an example. Name is equals to MEG. Name is equals to VMEG. Variable. Variable is a name used to store a constant like other language like C, C++, Java. No need to declare or write type of variable. You can store any piece of information in a variable. Variables are nothing but just parts of our computer memory where information is stored. To be identified easily, each variable is given an appropriate name. Example of valid variable names are ABC, sum, var_20, first, etc. Example of invalid variables names are my percentage check, basic, SL, H/ and R and A, etc. Data types. Variables can hold values of different data types. Python is a dynamically typed language, hence we need not define the type of the variable while declaring it. The interpreter implicitly blinds the value with its type. Python enables us to check the type of the variable used in the program. Python provides us the type function which returns the type of the variable passed. Consider the following example to define the values of different data types and checking its type. A is equals to 10, B is equals to high Python, C is equals to 10.5, print type A, print type B, print type C. Variable can hold values of different data types. Python is dynamically typed language, hence we need not define the type of the variable while declaring it. The interpreter implicitly blinds the value with its type. Python enables us to check the type of the variable used in a program. Python provides the type function which reverses the type of the variable passed. Consider the following example to define the values of different data types and checking its type. Print A, print B, and print C. Thank you.